Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install PPS Games ISO file. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to download your favorite game ISO file. Go to download, tap the file, RAR file, open, extract to archive name, then wait for a minute. It's almost done, just wait. Okay, it's done. Then you go to this file and you find the ISO file of your game. Then you're gonna copy it, put it in PSP, then paste it in game. Then you can play the game. Yeah, just look at this. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.